Septic tanks come in different materials like concrete, fiberglass, plastic, and sometimes steel, and knowing which one suits your home can save you a ton of hassle. So, here's the deal with septic tank materials. Concrete is super popular because it's heavy and durable, but it can crack over time if the ground shifts. Fiberglass tanks are lighter and resist cracking, which is great if you want something low maintenance, but they can be pricier up front. Plastic tanks are usually the cheapest and easiest to install since they're light, but they might float if your water table is high. Steel tanks aren't used much these days because they rust fast, but some old homes still have them. When you're picking a tank, think about your soil type, how much space you have, and your budget. Installation is key too. Make sure the base is level to avoid stress on the tank. Also, regular inspections can catch leaks or cracks early before things get messy. Don't forget that size matters. A tank that's too small will cause problems fast, so check local codes or ask a pro about the right size for your household. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring the material's durability, like using a plastic tank where concrete would be better for heavy soil. Another common slip-up is not considering the water table level, which can cause plastic tanks to float or concrete to crack under pressure. Finally, folks often skip on proper installation or base preparation, thinking it's no big deal, but uneven ground messes with the tank's structure and leads to leaks. To fix these issues, always match the tank material to your soil and groundwater conditions. Consult with experts about the right size and location, and insist on professional installation with a solid foundation. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to septic tanks and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find solid leads and get more work without all the stress of hunting for clients yourself.